Hey everyone, welcome back to part 2 of Project SANDMAN 2.0. So here's what I've done so far. Okay, I did the exterior rails. Okay, this is a 2x6, this is a 2x4. These teeth are 3/8 of an inch. I put the rafter hangers on the two ends so I can put the middle rail in it. Okay, the middle rail will also get a foot in the middle so it can sustain the weight of the bed. This bed is built really strong. It's like a deck. I mean, you can bounce on it all you want. It's not gonna break. Okay, we have these 4x4s for legs in the back and in the front. I also used that 3/4 inch MDF plate for a headboard that it's going to get epoxied. First layer somewhere today. I'm gonna let the epoxy flow into those cracks. It will further bond these two together. Okay, I doubled the MDF here to make it a little wider, okay, and also to save on the weight, because this thing is heavy. This thing is massive wood. Okay, I use this little plate that I cut and bolted in. Okay, it's also glued, and I also use these little screws that are usually for drywall. I put them in there and they just go just a hair below the surface, okay? And the epoxy will just flow in and fill those voids, okay? And there's also a couple of brad nail pins in here that I use to go through the board and all the way to the post. So my kitty will have a nice little walkway for her to walk around. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'm gonna start cleaning up all this dust that you see in the shop, and then I'm gonna disassemble the bed and start pouring for the headboard, the first layer. Okay, I'm gonna start with the interior. The interior is going to be a variation of the Thunder Cherry, and then the sides are going to be the Ultraviolet Dream, and the back I'm gonna do a simple black Galaxy on it. Okay, so let's get to it.
Told you. Told you.